Hey guys, Video Game Brawlers CPS here today. I'm gonna package here. I got this 3D print from Bakugan Battle Brawlers video games at Westall Library 3D print with Elaine. Back here, so cool. What's inside here? Coming through. Here comes it. Here comes. It's Leonidas. All right, there we go. All right, let's do now. What? Battle Axe Flat I'll get it this Sunday. Okay, great. All right, here's this. This is cool, beautiful. His body, his legs, head. And this magnet's cool. Wow. Arms so cool. His legs cool. That's a Vladator. Wow. Awesome. Jesus, cool. Alright, let's get peeled up the trunk. Let's see if we can do it, okay? Do it. Alright, all trunk is down. I take out. Oh, horns here. The magnet, basic repair. And here, it's two wings over here. So cool. There's two arms there. Two legs right there. Oh my god. There's a missing hole. Oh, there's a hole. This is very good. Okay, repaired. And there's a body. And it's two arms. Okay, Leonidas. Got two left. Great. Let's do it. Great. Let's get painting. Alright. Now fix it on it. I'll fix it. And the magnet's cool. Alright, let's get painted it. Alright. Now it's done. I'll painting for 1 hour. Wow. That's so cool. Look at this. That's so interesting. Oh wow. Alright. Let's build it together. Alright. I almost completed a Leonidas 3D print from Bakugan Battle Brawlers video games. That's fantastic. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Click to watch the Video Game Brawlers unboxing and artists and Bakugan too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click into the bell. Click into Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching everybody. See you next time for the next last part of Bakugan Battle Brawlers Leonidas 3D printer. Bye bye and Bakugan Brawl!